This question seems easy, but it is asked in Google and the Walmart company. The question is 3090, which is maximum length substring with two occurrences. You might think that why it is asked in Google and the Walmart, because this question have two types of approaches. The first approach, which most of the persons are taking, that they are using a BO of n space, which is a space complexity, using a hash map, right? You can see that this question, if we solve with a hash map, it seems very easy. But the Walmart and the Google needs it with a BO of one space complexity, right? So I will tell you two methods, method one with this approach and method two with this approach. So if you are very comfortable in solving that question with a hash map, you can just skip it to the part where I tell you the BIGO of one space complexity solution. So let us now move to read the question well and understand the hash map approach. Now let us go with the read of this question first. Let us understand these lines. So given a string s, we have given a string s in the question. That the string s is given us to us. Return the maximum length. We need to return the maximum length here. We need to return the maximum length of the substring such that it contains at most two occurrences of each character, not more than that. What it denotes? What the maximum length of substring denotes? Maximum length of substring denotes means we have a varying length. What is the varying length denotes? Varying length denotes that we need to track out all the number of lengths which are varying. So it denotes the two-pointer approach. Two-pointer and sliding window is there. Now, if you got the pattern, let us solve it using a hash map first. Now, let us see the example of it. So let me copy the example first. This is the example which is given in the LeetCode. Let us have a look to it. So it is now this example in which we are going to solve with a hash map. So we will have a hash map. So, and then after having the hash map, let us see the question well. So let us say there are left and the right. There are two pointers I have taken, which is left and the right, which is starting from the index 0. And there is a hash map which will be there, and we need to track the length of it. So first track the length 0. Now the length, the L is at 0 and the R is at 0, and the length which we're gonna track is at 0. So let us first increment the right, because we need to increment that. So now let us take the R and increment it. So let us take the R and move it to the C. Now, before moving it to the C, we need to take care about the B also. So here is the B. First, we have the two pointers at first index, which is L and the R. So we need to put the element of R and its frequency to the array. So it is the B and its frequency is 1, right? And now after having the frequency, let us increment the R. So there will be a R plus plus at the end. So incrementing the R is moved to here. Now till here, we do not violate any of the condition, as the conditions are that two occurrence of each character. So we need to take care that the only two occurrence of each character should exist. So this is the R. And now we will add the R to the hash map with its frequency 1. So add it to the hash map with its frequency 1, as it has appeared only one time. Now after adding it, just increment the R. We need to increment the R. There is no character where the frequency is 2. Now we are incrementing the R. The R is now at B. Let us add the B and increase its frequency, as B appears 2 times. Now please be focused on this point, as I'm gonna solve this question using a hash map. For solving this question using a hash map, we need to take two pointers, which is the left and the right, which will be initialized at the index 0. Okay. While I am at the index 0, I need to add the index, the character at the right position with its frequency to the hash map. So let us add that. Let us have a B with its frequency 1, right? Now we need to track the length also. So tracking the length, as we have the frequency of 0, how gonna we track the length? The length we're gonna track is the right minus the left and plus 1. This is the thing, the length will be taken. So the length is that 0 minus 0 plus 1 means the length is 1 right now. So we need to have the length 1. Okay. After incrementing the length, just increase the R. So that is the right part. We need to increase it. After having it increased, we need to add this part to the hash map with its frequency. So this is the 1. Now, at that point, no characters are breaking the rules, as each character must be below frequency of 2. So these are all below frequency of 2. So no need to take care. Now, as we have increased the, as we have added the element C to the map, we need to take a change to the length. So what is the length right now? We are at the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. So we are at the position R, which is, so R is at, we need to take care of the length, right? So length r is 1 minus 0 plus 1 means it is 2. So length is greater than this length, so it will be updated. Now increment the r. R will be incremented to this. After incrementing, add this element with its frequency. So we have already that element. We need to increment its frequency. So its frequency is 2. We are allowed to until the frequency is 2, not more than 2. Okay. So now this is added. Let us increment the length also. The length is at 2 and the L is at 0 plus 1 means it is 3. So the length will be dragged as 3. Right. Now move the R to the next position we have. So this is the next position. We will add this position to the array. We have added this position to the array. Now there is a thing you need to focus that this is violating the rule of it. So we need to have a while loop which will track that this element should have the frequency which is less than or equal to 2. So how gonna we do that? We have 2 pointers, right? And the right pointer violated the condition. So we need to make the b less than equal to 2. We need to increment the left pointer. So we need to increment the left pointer and see until the b have frequency less than 2 or equal to 2. So left will be there. So we need to decrease the frequency of left and decrease our left pointer. So at the left pointer we have b. Now at the b we need to decrease the frequency of it. So decreasing the frequency of b will have the 2. So let's say we have the 2 and by decreasing it and then we will decrease the length of it. Decrease the left pointer. Now we will see is there b having the frequency less than or equal to 2. So it is having the less than frequency of 2 and it is already allowed. So now we need to take care about the length. So what is the length right now? Length is 3 minus 1 plus 1 which is 2 plus 1 3. So no need to change the length. Now increment the r. R will be incremented and here also b will add. So b will have frequency of 3 and we will move the left pointer until the b frequency got decreased and become less than or equal to 2. So we need to decrease the L. So C will be got 0. We need to take care as C will be deleted as it is having frequency 0. So it is going to delete and we need to increment the L to this point. Now the B is not decreased till now. So for another time we will have a B which is frequency of minus 1. So we need to minus 1 and become a 2 and we will increment it to this. Now this is the place where it is having the frequency less than or equal to 2. Now we need to take care about the length. What is the length right now? Length is 4 minus 3 plus 1 which is equals to 1 1 plus 2 and the length is already we need a longest length, we need a maximum length. So no need to change it because we already have a maximum length. If the length is maximum we need to change it. So the length is 2, so no need to change because the length is already 3. Now we need to increment the r. We need to increment the r. The r is incremented, it is on the C. We add the C with the frequency 1. This is not violating the rules and it is of length 3, so no need to update it. Now moving r again. So this is the r and now again b is got 3. So we need to move the left pointer until the b is less than or equal to 2. So we need to move the left pointer until the b is less than 2. Now it is less than 2 and the length is already 3. So we need to take care about the length only. No need to update the length. So this is the length of 3. No need to update it because we already have the maximum length of 3. Now increase the r. R is got increased and we have the A as 1. No things are violating the rules. All are under or equal to 2. All frequencies. Now let us track the length. The length minus 4 because it is as fourth position plus 1. What is this? It is 3 plus 1, 4. Now the 4 is greater than this. So we need to update the length as 4. And when the R is at the end point, we need to exit from the while loop and return the length. So we need to return the length and we got the answer as 4. Now let us have the pseudocode of it. How the things are working. So while having the pseudocodes, what are the things we need to take care of it? Let us first have the pseudocode. So now for pseudocode, what the first thing we are having? We have the length, we have the left which is at 0 and right which is at 0 and the length which is at 0 at the first position. Then we will take a map. Map will of character and integer which is of the frequency. Okay, so we have a map. Now what the next thing we need to do? We have a while loop from which r will move until the length. So r must be less than the s dot length, right? And we need to take the element which is present at r, and we need to add it to the map. So we need to take here the character which is present in r. Let us change the color. So we need to take here the character. Let's say it's ch and s dot char at rr, which is at the right position. We need to take that character and add it to the map. So we need to add to map. And when we are adding it to the map, we need to take care that is this element not violating the rule. So if the map dot value is greater than 2, we need to have a while loop with i plus plus to decrease frequency. increase frequency. So while loop will have until this map value will got until it is greater than 2, right? Now, what is the thing? Now we have the frequency. We need to take care about the length. So will be length will be length will be maximum of R length and the R minus L plus 1 we are having. Now we will increase the R and in that loop will increase the L also. So here is the thing, we have the R and the L. Now at the end of this loop we need to return the length of the thing. So let us implement it. On implementation we have the I which have the L which will be, let us say it at the left, which is equals to 0, and the right which is equals to 0, and the length which is equals to 0 for the initial phase. Now we have the map have the character and the integer and MP which is equals to new hash map. Now we will have a while loop until the left is less than the length GTH. So we will have the length and we will extract the right character. So we have the ch as s dot here at we have the right. Now if we are having the character, now we need to add it to the map. So map dot put, we need to add this character, and by map if we are not having this character, so by default we will take the 0, we will take the 1. Okay. Now until the character have the frequency greater than 2, until the map dot get of ch the frequency, if it is greater than 2, what do we need to do? We need to iterate the left pointer to the front and remove the elements of it. So let us find the character at left. So this is the char left. So char left are the s dot char at, which is at the left position. So this is the character at the left. We need to delete it. So map dot put, which is char left, character of left minus map dot get, which is at character of left minus 1. This is the thing, and we need to increment the left pointer. We need to increment the left pointer. At the last, we need to add the math dot max of, which is the length, and the right minus left plus 1, which we need to take care about the length also. Now at the end we need to increment the r. After calculating all these things, we need to take care about the length. Let us see it is passing the test cases or not. Let us see it is passing sample test cases. So what is the map of k? Cannot be applied to the value type get or default. Okay, so we need to get, I not told about the key, right? Ch this. Now let us see for the sample test case. This is passing the sample test cases. Let us hit run. On hitting submit, let us see it is passing the test cases. I have successfully crossed the streak, which is of 35 days. Now, what is the next optimized thing we need to do? You need to take care about a thing which is a constraint. This is a constraint. That's why it is asked in Google and Walmart. This constraint tell us about S consists of the lower English letter. Why do you think that constraint is given to you? This constraint is given to you to optimize the space complexity. So space complexity is big O of 1 if this thing is given. Why? Because by this intuition that all are lowercase letter, we can make an array of frequency which is of size 26, because these are considered alphabet which is from A to Z, lower A to lower Z, which is of 26. So for calculation of frequency, no need to take care of a hash map or anything else which will create a space complexity. We can take care of a fixed size of array. We can take a fixed size of array. You got it the point. So that's why we need to fill up the frequencies here. So this is the frequency array. Let us see how we're gonna solve it with the big O of 1 frequency or in a constant space complexity. So that frequency array will fill the frequency of A, B, C, D, and here will be the frequencies of the things. Now let us have the pseudocode of it. How we gonna take care about the frequency? So let us see a frequency. We need to make a int of frequency which will be of size 26. Right. Now we should have the left pointer which is at 0 and a max length which is gonna be returned. So that's the thing. Now we will have a for loop which will go from right 0 to until the length of it, the s dot length. This. What is the main thing we need to denote? As let's say here we have the example. So here are the example of it. Left pointer is at 0 and right pointer is at 0. Left pointer is at 0 and the right pointer is at 0. We need to maintain the index of this in the frequency array we have. So how to calculate the index of it? So idx equal to, so we have the character which is s dot char, the position is of right, minus the character a, which will have the frequency as 1 because the frequency is at 1. So we there is a frequency array, and in frequency array, at the frequency 0, we have the A, at the frequency 1, we have the B, at the frequency 2, we have the C, at the frequency 3, we have the D, right? Now, what this index will give, if the R is at B, it will provide us the index 1. And at the index 1, we need to have the value 1. So we need to increment the frequency. So let us increment the frequency. So frequency of this IDX need to be increased. So we have increased it, and now frequency become the 1 of the B. The same condition which we was taking care in the previous example in the HashMap approach, we need the same condition. We need to put it right now. If the frequency is greater than 2, what then? So we will have a while loop. If the frequency of IDX is already greater than 2, what do we need to maintain? We need the index of left. So let us calculate the index of left. So index of left. So int IDX of left. What is IDX of left? S dot, which is char at the left pointer, and the char at left pointer minus A. It will give the index of character which is at the left pointer. So now for the left pointer, we need to decrease its frequency. So we need to decrease the frequency. So frequency of IDX of left will be minus minus. So after decreasing the frequency, we need to increment the left. So left will be of plus plus. This is the thing. And at the last, we need to track the length, track the max length, and at the last, return the max length. Okay. So that's the approach. Let me code it out in front of you. So that's the left and that's the right. We need to take care about the length. Now we need to remove it. We need to remove the things. So length, we need to remove. We need to keep the left pointer. And now for loop for the right. Right equal to 0. Right will be less than s dot length, which is this, and then the right plus plus. For the first thing, we need to take care about the index of the right. So index of the right is IDX. IDX of right is s dot char at, which is at the right, minus the A. This is the thing. First, make sure you make the frequency array. So this is the frequency array of new int, which is of the size s dot length. This is the size. Now, at the frequency, we need to increase the frequency of this index. So IDX of R, we need to increase its frequency. And if the frequency of this index will be greater than 2, we need to decrease the length. So if it is greater than 2, we need to decrease the length. So let us find the index of the left pointer, there at, which is at the left minus A. Now, frequency of IDX of left should be decreased, and then the left must be increased. Left must be increased. At the last, we need to take care about the math dot max, which is a length, and max, which is seen as right minus left plus 1. And at the last, you need to return the length of it. So let us see, it is like 26, and math dot max. Let us hit submit and see it is running or not. So it is having a output of 7, where I have issues, right minus left. This is the thing, right minus left. I have misplaced it as equal. So let us see, it is passing the sample. Okay, it is passing the sample test cases. Now hit enter. After hitting enter, let us see it is having. Okay, so it has got accepted, and this question is asked in Google and the Walmart because of this frequency array. And how to see this frequency array, as this is the constraint given below, which indicates us to use the big O of 1 extra space. So thank you, and subscribe if you got the solution to you. Thank you.